upbeat, futuristic intro music with a subtle digital whoosh. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Are you ready to see the future? Because today we're diving deep into the year 2025 and beyond. We're going to blow the lid off how artificial intelligence is completely revolutionizing the way we make money online. Forget everything you thought you knew about side hustles and online businesses. The game has changed, and the early adopters are about to reap massive rewards. What if I told you that you could build a fully automated money-making machine from scratch without ever touching a product, dealing with customer service, or even manually creating a single ad? It sounds like science fiction, right? Well, the future is now. Stick with me, because I'm about to show you exactly how to do it. This isn't just theory. This is the practical blueprint for your financial future. So let's jump right into the first method, and trust me, it's a game changer. AI-powered, fully automated digital stores. Picture this, a digital storefront that practically runs itself. We're talking about turning the traditional models of dropshipping and selling digital products on their heads, transforming them into hands-off, automated cash machines. This isn't just a small upgrade. It's a quantum leap. The days of grinding for hours on mundane tasks are over. AI is here to do the heavy lifting, allowing you to focus on strategy and scaling your empire. In 2025 and beyond, your biggest employee won't be a person. It will be a sophisticated algorithm working for you 24/7, never sleeping, never taking a break, just constantly optimizing and generating revenue. Intrigued? You should be. Let's break it down, step by step. Step 1. Instant store creation. Gone are the days of spending weeks, even months, designing and building a functional website. Now, with platforms like Shopify's AI Store Builder, you can have a professional, slick, and fully operational store up and running in a matter of hours, not days. But it gets even crazier. Imagine using a tool like Google's Gemini AI. You can literally just give it a prompt like build me a fully optimized e-commerce store focused on sustainable home gadgets, and within minutes it generates a complete store pre-populated. With trending products, stunning design, and all the necessary back-end setup, the barrier to entry has just been obliterated. You no longer need to be a web developer or a design guru. All you need is an idea, and the AI will bring it to life instantly. Now for step 2, AI-generated product listings that actually sell. This is where the magic really happens. A great product is useless without a compelling description that persuades people to buy. But who has time to write hundreds of unique descriptions, especially if you're not a natural copywriter? Okay, your store looks amazing and your products are irresistible, but how do you get traffic? Step 3 is all about automated marketing and advertising. This is often the most expensive and frustrating part of running an online business. But what if you could put it on autopilot? That's exactly what AI-driven ad managers like AdCreative.ai are designed to do. These platforms connect to your ad accounts on Facebook, Google, and TikTok. The AI then automatically creates dozens, even hundreds, of ad variations, different images, headlines, and copy, and tests them against each other in real time. It intelligently identifies the winners and automatically allocates your budget to the best performing ads, optimizing for conversions around the clock. It's like having a team of the world's best marketing experts working for you 24/7. Constantly fine-tuning your campaigns to get the maximum return on your ad spend. You just set the budget and watch the sales roll in. So the ads are working, customers are flocking to your store, and they have questions. This brings us to step 4, AI-powered customer service. Managing customer inquiries can be a massive time sink, but in our futuristic business model, you don't have to. Advanced AI chatbots, like those powered by Zendesk AI or Intercom, can be integrated directly into your store. These aren't the clunky, frustrating chatbots of the past. These new eyes can understand natural language, access order information, answer complex questions about products, handle returns, and provide support 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, in any language. They can resolve over 80% of customer queries without any human interaction whatsoever. This not only frees up your time but also provides instant, world-class support to your customers, boosting satisfaction and encouraging repeat business. You're literally providing better service than your competitors, all while you sleep. We've made the sale, we've handled the support, but what about getting the product to the customer? This is the final piece of the puzzle. Step 5. Fulfillment automation. For those of you dropshipping physical products, this is where it gets truly hands-off. Modern fulfillment centers are becoming increasingly automated, using robotics and AI to manage their warehouses. When an order comes into your store, the AI system automatically processes it, locates the product in the warehouse, instructs a robot to pick it, package it, and prepare it for shipping. The entire process, from the customer clicking buy to the package leaving the warehouse, can happen in minutes, with zero manual input from you. The system even handles tracking information and updates the customer automatically. It's a completely seamless automated pipeline from sale to delivery. The era of manual order processing and packing boxes in your garage is officially over. Your business is now a pure digital asset. Now let's tie this all together and look at the secret sauce that makes this entire system so powerful. The real advantage of using AI isn't just automation. It's intelligence. Your AI-powered store is constantly collecting data: what products customers look at, what they add to their cart, what they ultimately buy. The AI analyzes this data in real time to identify emerging trends and hot new niches before they even hit the mainstream. It can then automatically suggest new products for you to add to your store. But it goes even deeper. The AI can personalize the entire shopping experience for each individual visitor based on their browsing history. It can show them personalized product recommendations, creating a For You page that's perfectly tailored to their tastes. Do you know how powerful that is? Studies are already showing that this level of AI-driven personalization can boost sales by up to 70%. You're not just running a generic store. You're creating a unique, personalized shopping journey for every single customer, dramatically increasing conversion rates and customer loyalty. Think about the sheer power of what we just discussed. A business that is built in minutes, populated with AI-generated products and descriptions, marketed by an AI, supported by an AI, and fulfilled by an AI. This is no longer a distant dream. The tools to build this are here right now, and they are only getting more powerful. We are on the cusp of a new industrial revolution, a digital one, and those who learn to harness the power of AI will be the titans of tomorrow's economy. This is your chance to get in on the ground floor. This isn't about finding a small loophole or a temporary trick. This is about building a sustainable, scalable, and highly profitable automated business for the long term. The future of online income is intelligent, it's automated, and it is incredibly exciting. What I've shown you today is just the tip of the iceberg. So, are you ready to build your own AI-powered empire? The opportunity is massive, and it's right in front of you. If this video has opened your eyes to what's possible, then do me a huge favor and smash that like button. It really helps the algorithm show this to more people who need to see it. And make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications, because in my next video, I am going to reveal another mind-blowing AI method for generating income that you absolutely do not want to miss. We're just getting started on this journey into the future of making money online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. In our last session, we cracked open the digital vault of AI-powered income streams. If you missed it, definitely circle back because you won't want to miss a single piece of this puzzle. Today, we're diving into what I believe is the most explosive opportunity in the AI revolution. Video monetization. Forget everything you thought you knew about the grind of content creation. We're talking about a future where AI doesn't just assist you. It becomes your tireless 24/7 production studio, churning out high-quality video content while you focus on the bigger picture. Let's get right into the second futuristic method you can use AI to generate money online with: AI-driven video monetization. AI isn't just creating content, it's dominating video platforms, making it easier than ever to earn money through automation. Think about it. YouTube, TikTok, Instagram Reels, these platforms are visual economies, and video is the currency. For years, the barrier to entry was high. You needed expensive gear, editing skills, and hours upon hours to create a single video. But now, the game has fundamentally changed. AI is the great equalizer. It's your scriptwriter, your voiceover artist, your video editor, and your animator, all rolled into one powerful, automated engine. This isn't science fiction. This is your new reality. Let's break it down, step by step, starting with the titan of video platforms. Step 1 is all about generating full long-form YouTube videos and viral shorts with AI. The secret here lies in using powerful tools like Hagen AI or Pictory AI. Imagine this. You choose a trending topic, say, the future of renewable energy or the latest breakthroughs in biotech. You feed this topic to the AI. It then auto-generates a comprehensive, well-structured script. But it doesn't stop there. It creates a professional-sounding voiceover in any style you want, and pairs it with stunning, relevant stock footage, visuals, and animations. You can create completely faceless videos, which is perfect for those who want to stay anonymous. Within minutes, you have a polished 10-minute YouTube video ready to upload. This process used to take days, even weeks. And what about the short-form content that's taking over? We all know that attention spans are shrinking, and platforms like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels are where the eyeballs are. For this, you can use a tool like InVideo's AI. It can take your long-form video, analyze its most engaging parts, and automatically chop it up into a dozen captivating, viral-ready shorts. Each short is perfectly formatted, with snappy captions and visuals designed to stop the scroll. You've just turned one piece of content into 13, multiplying your reach exponentially without lifting another finger. This is how you build a content empire on autopilot. Now, let's move to step 2, TikTok and Instagram Reels automation. These platforms are all about volume and consistency. The algorithm rewards creators who post frequently. But who has time to create 3 to 5 unique, high-energy videos every single day? Your AI does. AI-driven video creation tools can generate thousands of viral TikToks or Instagram Reels. You can set parameters like your niche, your style, and your target audience, and the AI will produce a steady stream of content designed for massive engagement. Think about the potential here. You can connect these videos directly to affiliate products. Let's say you have a channel about smart home gadgets. Your AI can generate dozens of short videos showcasing the coolest new products, each with a unique spin. In your bio or description, you have your affiliate links. The AI creates the content that drives millions of views. Those views convert into clicks, and those clicks turn into affiliate sales, all while you sleep. This isn't just content creation. It's building an automated sales funnel that works for you around the clock. This leads us directly to step 3, monetizing with ads and sponsorships. The old model was a grind. You had to produce content consistently for months or even years to meet the monetization requirements for platforms like YouTube. You needed thousands of subscribers and watch hours. With AI, you can drastically shorten that timeline because you can produce high-quality content at an unprecedented scale. You can grow your channel faster than ever before. Hitting those monetization thresholds becomes a matter of weeks, not years. Once you're monetized, every view your AI-generated videos get turns into passive income through ad revenue. But it gets even better. As your channel grows and establishes authority in a specific niche, sponsors will start coming to you. And here's a pro tip. Niche down on AI-focused content, tech trends, or finance. These niches attract high-paying advertisers who are eager to reach a tech-savvy, affluent audience. An automated channel that's pulling in six figures from sponsorships and ad revenue is no longer a dream. It's a tangible, achievable goal thanks to AI. Finally, let's talk about global domination with step 4, auto-translating and multi-language scaling. For a human creator, reaching a global audience is a monumental task. You'd need to hire translators, voice actors, and editors for every single language. It's expensive and time-consuming. But for AI, it's just another task. Cutting-edge AI tools can automatically translate and dub your video content into dozens of languages. Your original English video can be seamlessly converted into Spanish, Mandarin, Hindi, or Arabic, complete with a natural-sounding, AI-generated voiceover. Imagine the impact. You create one video, and with a few clicks, you launch it across 10 different language-specific channels. You're not just reaching an English-speaking audience anymore. You're tapping into billions of potential viewers worldwide. This isn't just linear growth. It's exponential. Each new language channel becomes another automated asset, generating views, subscribers, and revenue from a completely new market. This is how you build a truly global media brand from your laptop, with AI as your international expansion team. The future of content creation isn't about working harder. It's about working smarter. It's about leveraging the incredible power of artificial intelligence to automate, scale, and monetize in ways we never thought possible. The tools are here, the platforms are hungry for content, and the opportunity is massive. The only question is, are you ready to embrace the AI automation future and start building your passive income empire online? The train is leaving the station, and you definitely want to be on it. Thanks for tuning in today. If you got value from this, do me a huge favor and hit that like button. It really helps the channel. And make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next part of our series, where we'll uncover even more AI money-making secrets. Drop a comment below and let me know which AI tool you're most excited to try. Until next time, keep building the future.